is a tomato. This is a tomato. The tomato is red and juicy. The tomato is red and juicy. We use tomatoes in salads. We use tomatoes in salads. Tomatoes can be made into sauce. Tomatoes can be made into sauce. This is a potato. This is a potato. The potato grows under the ground. The potato grows under the ground. People cook potatoes in many ways. People cook potatoes in many ways. Potatoes can be fried or boiled. Potatoes can be fried or boiled. This is a cucumber. This is a cucumber. The cucumber is long and green. The cucumber is long and green. It tastes fresh and cool. It tastes fresh and cool. We often eat cucumber in salads. We often eat cucumber in salads. This is an onion. This is an onion. The onion has many layers. The onion has many layers. It can make you cry when you cut it. It can make you cry when you cut it. Onions are used in many dishes. Onions are used in many dishes. This is a cabbage. This is a cabbage. The cabbage is big and green. The cabbage is big and green. It has many soft leaves. It has many soft leaves.
People cook cabbage in soup or stir-fry.
People cook cabbage in soup or stir-fry. This is an eggplant. This is an eggplant. The eggplant is purple. The eggplant is purple. It is soft when cooked. It is soft when cooked. People fry or grill eggplant. People fry or grill eggplant. This is a pumpkin. This is a pumpkin. The pumpkin is big and orange. The pumpkin is big and orange. It tastes sweet when cooked. It tastes sweet when cooked. People make soup or pie from pumpkin. People make soup or pie from pumpkin. This is corn. This is corn. Corn is yellow and sweet. Corn is yellow and sweet. It grows on a tall plant. It grows on a tall plant. People boil or grill corn to eat. People boil or grill corn to eat. This is a chili pepper. This is a chili pepper. This is a chili pepper. The chili pepper is small and spicy. The chili pepper is small and spicy. It can be red or green. It can be red or green. People use it to make food hot. People use it to make food hot. This is lettuce. This is lettuce. Lettuce is green and soft. Lettuce is green and soft. It is often used in salads. It is often used in salads. People eat lettuce fresh. People eat lettuce fresh. This is spinach. This is spinach. Spinach has dark green leaves. Spinach has dark green leaves. It is very healthy. It is very healthy. People cook spinach or eat it fresh. This is broccoli. This is broccoli. Broccoli is green and looks like a small tree. Broccoli is green and looks like a small tree. It is rich in vitamins. It is rich in vitamins. People boil or steam broccoli. People boil or steam broccoli. This is garlic. This is garlic. Garlic has a strong smell. Garlic has a strong smell. It is used to add flavor to food. It is used to add flavor to food. People cook garlic with meat and vegetables. People cook garlic with meat and vegetables. This is ginger. This is ginger. Ginger has a strong and spicy taste. Ginger has a strong and spicy taste. It is good for health. It is good for health. People use ginger in tea or cooking. People use ginger in tea or cooking. This is a sweet potato. This is a sweet potato. It is orange or purple inside. It is orange or purple inside. People bake or boil sweet potatoes. People bake or boil sweet potatoes. It tastes sweet and soft. It tastes sweet and soft. These are green beans. These are green beans. They are long and green. They are long and green. They are fresh and crunchy. They are fresh and crunchy. People cook green beans in many dishes. People cook green beans in many dishes. These are peas. These are peas. Peas are small and round. Peas are small and round. They are green and sweet. They are green and sweet. People cook peas in soup or rice. People cook peas in soup or rice. This is a bell pepper. This is a bell pepper. It can be red, yellow, or green. It tastes sweet and fresh. It tastes sweet and fresh. People use it in salads and stir fry. People use it in salads and stir fry. This is a mushroom. This is a mushroom. Mushrooms grow in wet places. They are soft and tasty. They are soft and tasty. People cook mushrooms in many dishes. People cook mushrooms in many dishes. This is a carrot. The carrot is orange. Rabbits like to eat carrots. People can make carrot juice.